Hello, and thanks for your interest in Blue Moon's electronic payment processing add-on for Acumatica. Blue Moon's electronic payment processing allows you to track all different types of electronic payment options for your customers and then use them in a variety of transactions. These transactions include sales orders, returns, and receivables payments and applications. Blue Moon's electronic payment processing add-on leverages the built-in Acumatica processing connector functionality to allow our product to have the look and feel directly within the Acumatica system. To get us started, we are first going to go over to our customer wallet or our customer payment method screen. In Acumatica, the customer payment method does act as a customer wallet for your electronic payment options. This is a fully tokenized, therefore PCI compliant wallet, and only tokens are stored to make sure that there is no worry of data directly within your Acumatica system. From this customer payment screen, you have the option to add, remove, or edit anything for any particular customer. You have the option to look them up, take a peek at what they are, just make sure that you have all the appropriate information for your customer. Now, if your workflow is more common to get the payment at the time of taking a transaction, that is also possible within the system. So we're going to go over to sales orders and create a new sales order. And go ahead and create a new order. And we'll put our customer in. And we'll add an item. Now, directly from with Acumatica's payment screen, once we save our transaction, we can go ahead and create a payment. So once I pick the built-in methods within my system, so MasterCard, you have the option to pull cards up that are directly within your customer wallet or choose to take a new card at the time of entry. For this transaction, we're going to go ahead and pick the MasterCard that we already have on file. We're going to go ahead and pre-auth the transaction. So once that transaction is pre-auth, you'll see the payment line is automatically added with that status of pre-authorization. Now, typically in the process, you go ahead and ship this product and you go ahead and create that invoice. So we're going to do a quick process today. Now, utilizing our product, we have enhanced some of this built-in functionality. So with standard Acumatica functionality, you still have to go to the invoice and actually capture the funds, which is what I'm going to do here. What our product does offer is the ability to automatically handle the capturing for you during that transfer or during the preparation of this invoice. That also means that doing that pre-auth and capture functionality, if there are shipping charges that are added throughout the process or any other additional charges that may take place, it's going to do the capture for the final amount on the transaction to try to make the job for the users easier. It's a lot harder for user to have to go to another system when it's done. The goal is to really automate and make the user's job easier. So once we go ahead and hit capture, we go ahead and capture those funds. This transaction would be completed from the payment standpoint. Now, if directly within your workflow, it's more common for you to use the receivables, payments, and applications because your invoices are completed and then your customers are calling after to make a payment, that is fully supported as well. So directly within the payment and application, we'll go ahead and create a new one for our customer. And we'll select an invoice that we're going to pay, update our payment method or payment amount, and then we're going to go ahead and pick a new method. So for this one, we'll go ahead and enter a new card just to kind of show that functionality. Pick a cash account here, and we're going to save it. And you'll see we're going to go ahead and do the new card, and we're going to hit capture. So when you do that, our new credit card entry window is going to open. Once again, this is a fully PCI compliant encrypted window, and we're going to go ahead and enter our information, expiration date, do a discover, waiting for our processing status, and you'll see that was ahead and captured. So those are two basic methods of how our electronic payment processing product can be leveraged within the Acumatica system. There are many more ways that we'd love to show you. And if you'd like to get more information on our electronic payment processing module or any of the other modules offered by Blue Moon, please go to our website at www.bluemoonISV.com. And thank you again for viewing this demo.